Welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight is the fourth night, or afternoon. It's not really night yet, but this is the fourth meal of the series that I am doing that I completed I made 5+ complete meals out of a whole chicken. So I cooked a whole chicken in the crock pot and I packaged them up in these containers. So this is my fourth container that I'm opening today. And today we're having chicken. So we're making chicken fried rice with this chicken. And this meal only costs $2.96. And we're going to get several meals out of it. Let me show you the ingredients. 1 cup of rice, which is like 37 cents. A bag of mixed vegetables from Walmart. This is 98 cents. An egg, which is about 14 cents. The chicken, I divided it up, ended up costing about $1.46 per container. And then on hand, I have toasted sesame seed oil and soy sauce. I don't think I did not. I was going to put an onion in this, but I didn't put that on my original meal plan. If you want to see that, it can go right there. All 5 of these meals ended up costing less than $30. So you can see that on the meal plan if you're interested in eating chicken all week. All right, so I'm going to cook the rice first. So I'm going to put in 1 cup. I'm going to put in 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Turn on the stove. And I'm going to cook the rice. We'll have some fluffy rice. Normally when you cook fried rice, you want to cook the rice the day ahead and put it in the refrigerator and then pull it out the next day and it won't be all sticky. I don't have time for that. I'm cooking it today and we're eating it today. Okay, the rice is done. Since my veggies are a little frozen, I am going to heat them up. Add some olive oil. We'll add a little sesame oil in a little while after we start tasting. Add a whole bag. I don't know, a whole bag of that rice? It sounds like a lot of veggies for 1 cup of rice. I can use the rest of it in another meal. All right, I'm going to add my rice. I've also used like a veg oil instead of, which is a lot more expensive than the frozen veggies. I'm going to add the chicken. Add the soy sauce. This is low sodium soy sauce. Add as much as you want or don't want. Super easy. Super easy. If you want to spend a little bit more money, you can get the pre-cooked rice. But this is just white rice out of the bag. Add some seasonings. I'm going to add some of the toasted sesame oil. Use what you like. And these are all items, when I do these type of videos, these are always in my pantry. So I don't include them in the price of my meal. Obviously, you have to buy them at some point. But they're always as part of my pantry all the time. So it's not something special that I bought to cook this meal. I always have soy sauce on hand and the toasted sesame oil. Probably add some pepper and some salt. Salt and pepper. Smells good. Smells good. So easy. Just like that. And I need to fry the egg. I almost forgot the egg. I made a mess. Surprise. Add a little bit of oil. Fry the egg right there. Could add another egg if you wanted to. I just good with one. Yeah, I'll get 3 meals out of this, I bet. At least 2. And taste it. I forgot a real fork, so. Takeout. This didn't take out, this is homemade. Very good. I think I want just a little bit more. Sesame oil. I say that's good. That be good stuff. I need to go get plates. I forgot silverware and plates. So. Ooh. Hot. Hot and steamy. That meal cost $2.96. And look at the leftovers. We're gonna eat all that in one sitting. Okay. We have one more meal, and it's gonna be the chicken pot pie in this series. So stay tuned tomorrow. Hopefully it'll come out tomorrow, not the next day. But anyway, because we have leftovers. So stay tuned for that. And I will see y'all in the next video.